Hello everybody and welcome to this week's technology tip. Last week I shared with you how to use Google Drive for the cloud-based storage, and I showed you two different ways that you could upload files to it. One of them was by using the web-based version by going to drive.google.com and manually uploading each video directly to the cloud. The other option was to download the Google Drive program onto your computer, which creates a folder on your desktop, and that folder allows you to drag any file into it. Anything that's dragged in there will automatically be synced with your account. So what I want to show you today is for any of you that have iOS devices in your classroom, or maybe a personal device, or you want to be able to enable and help the kids do this. So if they have an iPhone, an iPod Touch, an iPad, they can download the Google Drive app and then they can upload files off of their device to their cloud where they can save it there too. So to get started, what you want to do is go to the App Store. And in the App Store, you're going to want to do a search and search for Google Drive. And there's going to be a number of apps that show up there. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. I think one of the best ones to use, and I highly recommend using the Google Drive one by Google Drive. It should be the first one that shows up here. And I'll just click on that there so you can see it a little bit bigger. If you click on this, you can download it. It's for free. Since I already have it downloaded, I'm just going to click on Open. When you first launch this app, you're going to have to log in with your Google Drive credentials, but after that, it will remember your username and password. But it gives you this nice little interface where you can access, and as I showed you last week, I have a lot of files and folders already part of my Google Drive, so they automatically show up here. But if you want to go in and upload files, there's a couple of different ways you could do it, depending on what you want to upload. Now, within this app itself, I can upload directly to my drive two different things, video and images. To do that, I'm going to go on the left-hand side where it says on my iPad. I'm going to click on the upload section. It says upload images, videos, and more. So now I could go up to the top right-hand corner, click on that plus sign, and I'm going to click upload photo or video. Now, if you have PhotoStream enabled, it'll allow you to click on PhotoStream, or it'll have any of your other folders that you have set up. So I'm just going to go to my camera roll. I'm just going to click on my Philadelphia Eagles logo here, and I'm going to click upload. And as you can see, that file was already sent, and now it shows here in my upload section. I can preview it. I'm going to hit close. So now that file exists in my upload section. Now this is very handy if I had video on here also. Say you did an iMovie and you finalized the project, but the project was too big to end up uploading or sending by email. If you upload it here to Google Drive, you just log in on any computer or other device and you can access that file. Now, there's also another way. Say you have Pages document or a keynote presentation, you could go into those individual apps on your iPad. I have them on my next screen. I'm going to click on Pages. And here's a document I was working on before. If I want to upload this directly to my Google Drive, all I have to do is click on the tool up in the top right-hand corner, that little wrench. And I need to click on Share and Print. Now what I want to do is I want to open it up in Google Drive, so I have to click under here, the third one down, click on Open in another app. You have to pick the format of how you're going to share it. I want to keep it as a Pages document. It will convert it. Now I get to choose the app. And here's my Google Drive app up here in the top left-hand corner. I click on that. And it will transfer it over to here where I can now click Upload. And as you can see, my visual reports one page is uploading. It's currently at 26%. So now while we're waiting for that one to upload, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to go launch Keynote. Because here's a QR code that I put into a Keynote presentation that I want to use later on. So I'm going to go again. It's very similar to what you do in Pages. I'm going to click on the wrench for settings, click on Share and Print, and then Open in another app. I could choose to convert it to a PDF or a PowerPoint, but I want to keep it in its Keynote. Once it's done converting, now I select my app, open in Google Drive, and now I can choose to upload it here. So now that file will be waiting while my other one uploads. Now these are fairly large documents, that's why it's taking a little while. The photo was a lot smaller. But once these are in, these are going to be part of my Google Drive. From here, I can now select, and I'm going to do this with my photo. I'm going to click on this arrow here to get the details. And if I click on this icon up here in the top right, now I can move it to a different folder. And I have a tech tip folder, so that's where I'm going to send it. And I'm going to hit move here. So now this file will exist in a different folder now. That's how you can manage it and move it around. So it's pretty easy to do. And this is just kind of the basics of it. But as you get more advanced with it, you get more comfortable. It seems like a lot of steps, but really once you've done it a few times, it's pretty simple. So try it out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week.